ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। ॐ श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। अथ श्रीमन्नारायणीयं दशका 2 भगवद्रूपवर्णनम्। सूर्यस्पर्धिकिरीटमूर्ध्वतिलकप्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम् गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभम् त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलश्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे। Suryaspardhi Kiritam. This is a description of the form of the god. The god is having a kirita, a crown, which is very shining, and it is emulating the sun in resplendency. Surya, the sun, Spardhi, it is competing with the Surya, which is very brilliant in its shine. So, such a brilliant kirita he is having on his head. Urdhva tilaka prodbasi palantaram. Urdhva, upright, tilaka, the sandal paste mark on the forehead. Prodbasi, it makes the forehead shine. Palantaram, pala, the forehead, palantaram, the middle of the forehead or the region of the forehead, it is shining because of the sandal paste mark. Karunyakula netram. Karunyam, compassion. Akula, full of. Netram. His eyes are filled, brimming with compassion. Ardra hasitollasam. Ardra, tender. Hasita, smile. Ullasam, beautiful. His face is beautifully lit up with a tender smile. Sunasa putam. He is having a beautiful nose. Gandodyan makaraba kundala yugam. Ganda, the cheeks, are lighted up by the makaraba kundala yugam. Yugam, the pair of the kundalas, the earrings, which are in the shape of a makara. Makara can mean any sea animal. It can be a crocodile, a whale, or a fish. So he is having the makara kundalas on his ears, and they are so brilliant that his cheeks are glowing in that brilliance. Kantojvalat kaustubam. His neck is shining with the kaustuba gem. Kaustuba gem is the gem which Vishnu Bhagavan always wears around his neck, and this is one of the 14 gems which came when the Samudra Manthan was done by the Devas and the Asuras. Twadrupam, your form. O Bhagavan, your beautiful form. Vanamalyahara patala Srivatsadipram. Vanamalya. Vana, the wild, malyam, the flowers or the garlands. Bhagavan is called Vanamali. In the Vishnu Sahasranam also, we get the term Vanamali. Vanamali is the person who is wearing the Vanamala around his neck. Vanamala is described thus: Ajanu Lambini Mala Sarvartu Kusumojvala Madhye Stula Kadambadya Vanamaleti Kirtita. Ajanu Lambini. mala. This garland is very long and it extends up to the knee. Sarva Ritu Kusuma Ujjvala. It has the flowers of all seasons. Madhye, in the middle, Stula, a big. Kadamba Adya, there is a Kadamba flower. And this is called the Vanamala. Vanamaleti Kirtita. Bhagavan is always described as wearing a Vanamala around his neck. Not only Vanamalas, Hara Patala, Hara rich necklaces, Patalam groups, not one necklace but many necklaces and many garlands with flowers are adorning his Vachasthala. Srivatsa Deepram. There is the mark of Srivatsa also on his chest. The Srivatsa mark is the mark made by the foot of the sage Bhrigu. There is a Puranic story in which the sages want to know who is the best of the three gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva, and they sent sage Bhrigu to ascertain the same. The sage first goes to Brahma and does not show proper respect to him, and God Brahma gets very angry. He again goes to the god Shiva and repeats his behavior, and Shiva also is very angry. Finally, he reaches the place of Vishnu. At that time, Vishnu is sleeping, and to wake him up, Bhrigu gives a kick with his foot on the chest of the god. The god wakes up, and instead of getting angry with the sage, he treats him with great respect and says that this footmark of yours on my chest will always remain. So that is the Srivatsa mark. Deepram, shining. The shining form of Bhagavan with the crown, with the beautiful Makara Kundalas and the Kaustubha Mani, and also the row of necklaces, and also the significant Srivatsa mark. That form I worship. Keyurangada Kankanottama Maharatnanguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangata Gada Shankari Pankeruham Kanchit Kanchana Kanchilanchita Lasat Pitambaralambini Alambe Vimalambujadyutipadam Murtim Tavartichidam. Hey Bhagavan, Tava, your Murtim, your form. Alambe, I take recourse to that form. How is the form? It is adorned with Keyura, omelettes. Angada. Angada is also omelettes. The Keyura may be placed higher in the shoulder and Angada below it. Kankana means bracelets. The arm of Bhagavan is adorned with Keyura, Angada and Kankana, and his fingers have Anguliyaka rings which have precious Maharatna, rich gems in the rings, finger rings, and the arm is adorned, decorated with all these shining ornaments. Srimad Bahu Chatushka. Srimad, the beautiful, Bahu Chatushka, the four arms. Sangata Gada, they are united with, they are having Gada, Gada mace. The mace of Vishnu is called Kaumodaki, and Shankha, the conch, which is Panchajanya, and Ari, the chakra, which is the Sudarshana chakra. Pankeruha, Pankeruha means a lotus. Pankeruham, the lotus which grows in the panka, in the marshy soil of the river. The Bhagavan is holding Gada, Shankha, Ari and a lotus in each of his four arms. This form is so beautiful that the poet says it is indescribable. Kanchit, some inexplicable form which has Kanchana, Kanchi. Kanchana means gold. Kanchi is the girdle which is worn around the waist. Lanchita, decorated. Lasat, shining. Pitambara, the yellow garment. Alambini. Bhagavan is always described as Pitambaraha, one who wears yellow silk garment. Pitambaraha. Pitambara Alambini. The Pitambara is fastened, held in place by the golden girdle which the Bhagavan is wearing. Such a beautiful form, I am taking recourse to it. Alambe. Vimala Ambuja Dyuti Padam. The 2 feet of the God, they are like Vimala Ambuja. Vimala, very pure. Ambuja. Ambuja means a lotus. The word Ambu means water. That which is born in water, Ambuja, is a lotus. Ambuja Dyuti, Dyuti Kanti, the beauty of the lotuses. The 2 feet are like 2 lotuses. Their complexion is like that of a lotus, and they are also very tender like a lotus. Such a murti, such a form, Tava, your form, Arti Chidam. Arti means sorrows. Chidam, which remove the sorrows of the devotees. Such a form I take recourse to. This is a very beautiful verse in which we very easily see the various repetitions of the syllables. For instance, in the 3rd line, we have Kanchit Kanchana Kanchi Lanchita Lasat Pitambara Lambini Alambe Vimalambuja Dyutipadam Murtim Tavarte Chidam. This is called Anuprasa or alliteration, and the poet is a master in the use of so many figures of speech. Yatrailokyamahiyyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi saundaryotaratopi sundarataram त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. हे Vishnu, O Lord Vishnu, Vibho, the all-pervading Lord Vishnu, your form is Trailokya Mahiyasopi Mahitam. In the three lokas, the three worlds, the Swarga, Prithvi and Patala. Mahiyasaha, the greatest thing in any of the three worlds, your form is greater than that in every respect. Sammohanam mohanat, it is more enchanting than the most enchanting thing that can be found in any of the three worlds. And it is kantam, kanti nidhanataha api, kantam, beautiful, from any of the treasure of beauty in any of the three worlds, it is more beautiful. And it is madhuram, sweet, madhurya duryadapi, it is sweeter than the most sweetest thing on earth or in any of the other worlds. Saundarya uttaratopi sundarataram, it is more lovely than the loveliest thing anywhere in the world. Twadrupam, your form. Ashcharyataha api ashcharyam, it is more wonderful than the most wonderful thing that can be seen anywhere. Bhuvane, in this world. Kasya kutukam na pushnati, in this world, who is not aroused to see you, who is not filled with ardor to see such a beautiful form? Everyone wants to see such a beautiful form, O God Vishnu. Tattadrik madhuratmakam tava vapus samprapya sampanmayi सा देवी परमोत्सुका चिरतरं नास्ते स्वभक्तेष्वपि तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्. तत्तादृक् मधुरात्मकं तव वपुः. Tava vapuhu, your form, which is tadrik madhuratmakam, it is so full of sweetness as we have described in the previous verse. Samprapya, getting that form as her abode. Sampanmayi, the prosperous Lakshmi Devi, Sa Devi, the Devi Lakshmi. Paramotsuka, Parama Utsuka, she has become very much attached to this form of yours. Chirataram, for a long time. Na aste, she does not stay. Swabhakteshu api, with her own devotees. As she resides always in Vishnu Bhagavan, she has no time to stay with her devotees. Tena asyaha, due to this reason, asyaha Lakshmyaha, of this Lakshmi Devi, bata kashtam, alas. He Achyuta, O you God, who is very firm, who is very steady, and He Vibho, O you all-pervading Lord, Twadrupa मानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात्. Twadrupa, your form, Manojnaka, loveliness, Prema, attachment, Stairya Mayat. She is very firmly attached to this beautiful form of yours. Due to that, Achapala Balat, because of her strength of love towards you, she is always residing in you. But the Chapalya Varta, the idea that Lakshmi has this Chapalya nature, that idea has arisen among people. लक्ष्मीस्तावकरामणीयकहृतैवेयं परेष्वस्तिरेति अस्मिन् अन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते. ये त्वद्ध्यानगुणानुकीर्तनरसासक्ता हि भक्ता जनास्तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयितप्रस्तावदत्तादरा. Lakshmi, the goddess Lakshmi, Tavaka, your, Ramaniyaka, very charming, Hrita eva iyam, Lakshmi, this Lakshmi, being captivated by your charm, Pareshu astira, she does not stay with others. Iti asmin, in this viewpoint of mine, Anyadapi, another proof also I am going to give you, says the poet. Anyadapi pramanam aduna, now vakshyami, I am about to tell, O you Lakshmi Pati, the Lord of Lakshmi. Ye tvaddhyana guna anukirtana rasa asaktaha hi bhakta janaha. Ye bhakta janaha, the people who are devoted to you, to God Vishnu, and who are engaged in tvaddhyana, meditating on you, guna anukirtana, and again repeating your beautiful name and virtues, asaktaha, who are ever intent on only meditating on you and chanting your auspicious name and thinking about you, in such devotees, Lakshmi Devi stays permanently. Teshu esha, with them, vasati, she stays, stira eva, very firmly. She does not go away from Vishnu Bhaktas. Why? Daita prastava datta adara. Daita, her dear Lord Vishnu. Prastava, the various leelas, the various things associated with Lord Vishnu, she is very much interested. Datta adara, she is paying a lot of attention to the glories of Vishnu, and she is ready to stay with Vishnu Bhaktas rather than her own Bhaktas. So, I am giving this proof that she is captivated by your beauties and virtues, and so she is permanently residing with you, neglecting her own Bhakta Janas. एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्दसन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वतां सद्य प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकम् व्यासिञ्चिन्त्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैरानन्दमूर्छोद्भवैः एवं भूत your form of this nature as we have described in the previous verses. It is Manognyata Navasuda Nishyanda Sandohanam. Sandohanam, a collection of the Nishyanda flow of Navasuda, the fresh nectar of loveliness, Manognyata. Twadrupam, your form, is Parachit Rasayanamayam. Para, supreme, Chit, consciousness, Rasa, the joy, Ayanam, the abode. It is Rasayanamayam. It is the abode of the bliss and consciousness. And it is Chetoharam, captivating to the mind. Shrindvatam, to the people who hear about your virtues, it is Sadhya Prerayate. Immediately, Sadhyaha, it inspires. Matim, Shrindvatam Matim, the mind of the people is inspired as soon as the Leelas of the God are heard. Madayate, gives you extreme joy. Romanchayati angakam. Romancha means horripilation. Angakam. Angakam means a limb or the body. The body is horripilated. And Vyasinchantyapi. Vyasinchati api. It also soaks them, the devotees, with Shita Bashpa Visaraihi. Shita, cool, Bashpa, tears, Visaraihi, the spread. The spread of the cool tears of joy cast by Ananda Murcha, the ecstasy of bliss. This is the condition of the person who is enjoying the form of the lovely God, and he is overpowered by the beauty of that great form. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktyaabhihito yogatsa yogadvayat कर्मज्ञानमयाद् वृषोत्तमतरो योगीश्वरैर्गीयते सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिर्निश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर् लभ्यारमावल्लभ एवं भूततया. The bhakti which is of this nature, as we studied in the previous verse, bhakti abhihitaha yogaha, the yoga called the bhakti yoga, yoga dvayat, karma jnanamayat. When compared to the other two yogas, karma yoga and jnana yoga, Brishottamataro, it is far more superior than the other two yogas. Yogishwaraihi giyate, so it is sung by the great sages. The great sages again and again say that Bhakti Yoga is far more superior to the other yogas. And this is the primary theme of the Bhagavata Mahapuranam also. Saundaryaika rasatmake tvaikalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi. Prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi. The bhakti in which there is prema prakarsha, excessive love towards God. The God who is Saundarya Ekarasatmakaha. He is the personification of beauty, the beautiful God, as we have studied in the first chapter. Nishramameva, without any effort, Vishwapurushaihi, by all people on earth, Labhya, it is possible to get this Bhakti Yoga. O you Rama Vallabha, O you the consort of Rama, Lakshmi Devi. Nishkamam niyataswadharmacharanam yat karma yoga bidam tadduretyapalam yadaupanishadajnanopalabhyam punaha tatvavyaktaya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmad vibho त्वत्प्रेमात्मकभक्तिरेव सततं स्वादीयसी श्रेयसी. Nishkamam, without kama, without desire for the fruit of the action performed, niyata, constantly, swadharma charanam, the following of one's swadharma, yat, which is the Karma Yoga Abhidam. This is called the Karma Yoga. Tat Duretya Phalam. It gives phala, fruit, in the distant future. Yad Aupanishada Jnana Upalabhyam Punaha. Again, the knowledge of the Upanishads, the knowledge which can be gained by the study of the Upanishad, tattu avyaktataya, that being not very clear, sudurgamataram, it is very difficult for the mind, chittasya, tasmat, therefore, vibho, O you all-pervading Lord, Tvat prematmaka bhaktihi eva satatam swadiyasi shreyasi. Satatam, always. Tvat prematmaka bhaktihi eva, the bhakti which is full of love towards you, that is the sweetest, swadiyasi, and the most beneficial. अत्यायासकराणि कर्मपटलान्याचर्यनिर्यन्मला बोधे भक्तिपते तवाप्युचितताम् आयान्ति किं तावता क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुर्ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनश्चित्तार्द्रत् त्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. Some people do karma patalani, many ritualistic actions which are ati ayasakarani. They involve a lot of effort. Following these karma patalas, acharya, they become niryanmalaha. Their impurities of the mind are removed. and they become pure in mind. And they become fit for the Jnana Marga or the Bhakti Marga. Bodhe, the Jnana Marga, or Bhakti Pate, the path of Bhakti, Athava, or Api, Uchitatam, they become fit. Ayanti, they become fit to pursue either the Jnana Marga or the Bhakti Marga. Kim Tavata, what is the use of that Karma Yoga? Klishtva Tarkapate Param Tava Vapur Brahmakyam Anye Punaha. Anye Punaha. Some people again Tarkapate Klishtva, they toil in the path of logic. And Param Tava Vapuhu, your form, which is Brahmakyam, which is called Brahma, they Vichintya, they think about this form, but without Chitta Ardratvam, without the melting of the heart, softening of the heart. They toil in the path of logic. They too attain salvation, but at the end of many lives. Bahubihi Janmantaraihi, at the end of many cycles of birth and death, they too become successful. Siddhyanti. Tvadbhaktistu katarasamritajari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim akleshatas-tanvati sadyasiddhikari jayatyai vibho saivastu me tvatpada prema प्रौढिरसाद्रता drutataram Vatalayadhishwara. Hey Vibho, O you all-pervading Lord, Tvad Bhaktihi tu, your bhakti, on the other hand, when compared to the Jnana Marga and the Karma Marga, your bhakti is Swayam Siddhyanti. It is attainable by itself. Katarasa Amritajari Nirmajjanena. Nirmajjanena, by submerging in the spring, the nectarian spring of your beautiful tales. Katharasa, the joy of listening to your tales. If a person listens to the various leelas of God, bhakti arises in his mind. Swayam Siddhyanti, it is attainable. And Vimala Prabodha Padavim Akleshataha Tanvati, it bestows Tanvati Akleshataha, without any torment, Vimala, pure, Prabodha, knowledge, Padavim, the state of knowledge, the state of awakening, it bestows on a devotee. It is Sadhya Siddhikari. Sadhyaha, immediately it gives Siddhi. It gives you salvation immediately. And Jayati, so it is victorious. It is far superior than the other two paths of Jnana and Karma. Ayi Vibho, O you Lord, Sa eva astu me, let me have that bhakti in me. Tvatpada prema praudi rasadrata, drutataram, soon, may I have that bhakti in which there is praudi rasadrata, complete melting of the heart, in love for the God. For your lotus-like feet, let me have that bhakti. He Vatalaya Adhishwara, O you Lord of Guruvayur.